bones too. You wouldn't think it's important to season the backside of ribs and to season the bones, but it's extremely important because you got to have that flavor all the way around. And you know, it's all about flavor when
all the way.
When you got ribs. Ribs.
All right, so Memorial Day, properly rubbed rack of ribs. I'm gonna put these on.
Let's do it.
Boom. All right, these Memorial Day ribs.
Ooh.
See, they look like they're almost done, but no. You gotta take them off of here. Check it out.
All right.
More rib rub. I mean, what?
I love it.
I guess you'd call these a
Double rub.
Double rub, there you go. All right, now, let them chill. Guaranteed, those will be some super tender ribs.
Good job.
Memorial Day, summertime.
I like it.
Can't wait to eat. This is what a rib looks like. What it's supposed to look like, nice and tender. You gonna have one?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna pull this little piece right here off the top because that's my favorite.
That's your sweet butt I am.
That's the way you start summer right there. Happy Memorial Day.